What is gonna happen to Bitcoin this weekend? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. Today, a very short but powerful video as I don't have any time. A short news item, a couple of amazing charts that will prepare you for the weekend, and maybe an inspirational quote. Let's keep it really short today, guys. Let's quickly jump into the news that I want to share with you. The news for today is, there is no news. All of the FUD that you're hearing all the time, that the terrorists will influence the stock market, the terrorists will influence crypto, the war is going to influence crypto, the war is going to influence the stock market, gold is increasing, Bitcoin is decreasing, all of the FUD, all of the news that you hear every day again and again and again. Let me remind you, all of this drama was also there in 2014. All of this drama was also there in 2017. All of this drama was also there in 2021. COVID crash, banning of Bitcoin. It has been always the same story over and over and over again. Drama, drama, drama. Shaking out like the weak hands. Shaking out the weak hands. That's what I call it. If you really want to understand what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the next weekend, in the next week, in the next month, in the next half year, and the next year, you should look at TA. The charts will tell you what is going to happen, not all the drama. The drama has been there since the beginning of crypto. I think Bitcoin has already died now like 1,000,000 times. Thousands of times Bitcoin has been declared dead. We went from 7 cents all the way up to 109,000 US per Bitcoin during all that drama, during all those phases, during all that bad news, during all that beautiful news. All that news doesn't influence the charts at all. It's the charts, it's the A that you should be focusing on. They will tell you when it's time to sell. They will tell you when it's time to buy. All the news is amazing if you zoom out and enjoy the drama as if you're watching a movie, a beautiful movie with a lot of drama and love stories and fighting and making love, and that all combined in this crypto industry is amazing if you're able to zoom out and let all of that not influence your decisions on when to buy and when to sell, because the drama is created by those same parties that also create the drama around that pandemic. You know that thing that you thought you would die of, and that you were wearing face masks and diapers, even people going into stores with complete diving suits with oxygen, and people even going into jabbing and getting all these vaccinations. All the news collectively orchestrated around that drama. Those are the same news agents that are now creating drama in crypto, guys. Why do you still believe all of those? Please calculate for yourself. Please do your own research. Please look behind those words and those lines used to create drama. See, open your eyes. Look what is happening. Bitcoin became a strategic reserve capital for the United States. The EU is already responding. Oh shit, what do we need to do? America doing something, EU responding, China, Russia. Bitcoin is one of the most important tools for the next 10 to 20 years, guys. It's a safe haven. It's a store of value. It's the digital gold of the 21st century. You should be buying Bitcoin as much as you can. At least own one Bitcoin. Fuck all the news. Focus on the charts and on Bitcoin. Now, if you want to really know and understand what is happening to Bitcoin's price, I'm going to show you this now in the charts. Enjoy the charts. The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart. Look, it's not a powerful move, guys. We didn't even reach that 86K level, that green line. We didn't even do this move. We came down already here. So this move is not happening at the moment. This is not a positive move. Just look, if you look from here to this is a downward trend, guys. It's a downward trend. So yes, we will probably go back even lower if we keep this trend. If we don't break it, then we will go lower, and the next level will be that 72K. So either we break this one, retest and go higher, or guys, we will be rejected and we will go lower. And then you have this downward trend. Maybe then we go up again. But look, this trend is just completely, this channel is a downward channel at the moment. So this is not bullish on the short term. Long term, I'm zooming out. Long term, I still believe Bitcoin will do a huge move. We will see 100K before you know it again. But short term, yes, this is of course also a possibility. Now let's jump into some other really interesting charts. Over here, this is the first one. This chart is showing you the total balance and balance change of large holders. We are talking about people with a 1K to 10K balance, guys. Now, if you look at this chart, you can see that it really increased. This means the whales are accumulating a shitload of Bitcoin at the moment. A shitload of Bitcoin. So we're talking about 1K to 10K Bitcoins, not dollars. We're talking about the amount of Bitcoins. This has increased tremendously in the last month, guys. So this 30-day change is massive, and that massive change will lead to a Bitcoin price pumping again, because the whales are accumulating for a reason. They are buying the dip, they know the bull market is not over, and they will take their profits again when the Bitcoin price will go into reversal to these higher prices above 100K. Amazing to see that the whales are stepping in. Now, the next chart is this one. This chart is the global money supply, guys. On this global money supply, you can see very clearly that one is going vertical. We are going shit ape vertical with this global money. A lot of money is being printed, and from today, the 14th of March, it will take another day to become the 14th of March in the United States, but from today, the block of debt will be stopped. So the 36 trillion debt that the United States has is going to be unleashed. And that means people can make more debt, and the debt can increase, so more money can be printed, and Trump can increase the M2 supply. And because the M2 supply is going to increase, also the Bitcoin price will increase, guys. Please understand these charts. These are very important in the past, and they will also be important now. Look here. The money supply started to increase tremendously. The price was still this, horizontal. When the money supply kept increasing, look what the price did. Bam! Massively up. Here again, the money supply is increasing. The price may be a little bit like horizontal, but after that we will see a huge jump into that price, guys. Amazing chart. Last chart for today is this one, the global liquidity index. On the global liquidity index, you can see as well what is happening normally with the bull markets if we see a bullish cross on this index. Now, this is a bullish cross over there, bam, price went up. Bullish cross, bam, bull run. Bullish cross, bam, bull run. We just experienced again a bullish cross. Bam, bull run. Here, even this small cross over there already was from almost 30K to 109K. This cross. Now, look, the cross is even more confident. This cross is going to lead into the last part of the bull run. Short but powerful charts, but I hope you really enjoy them. This is what it is. We need to zoom out, look at the bigger picture, and buy as much as possible Bitcoins in this dip to take the profits at 160 to 250K later, guys. Amazing charts. I hope you really enjoy the charts. Yes, of short but powerful, but three amazing charts that are showing you need to zoom out, relax, step back, look at that bigger picture. It doesn't matter that Bitcoin is volatile in the 5-minute chart and a 10-minute chart. If you are not a trader but an investor, don't focus on those small time frames. If you are a trader, for example here on Bybit, use the link down below to sign up. You can claim a bonus up to 30K, or take Blowfin. You can get a Tesla or many other prizes. If you're a trader trading daily, you need to zoom in. You need to look at every price movement in the charts. Is it a short-term price movements for your trades? Do it. If you're an investor, zoom out. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly. When is the perfect moment to buy? When is the perfect moment to sell? And just respond to those two moments in a 4-year cycle. Buying around the bear market bottom, selling out the bull market top. Our indicator package will help you with that. The Didi Bam Bam community will help you with that. If you have problems with educating yourself, go and join us as a VIP at didibambam.me, guys. Now, that were the charts. Let's go into the last part of the video, the inspirational quote. The inspirational quote for today is not really a quote, it's like a test or an assignment you could do this weekend. Tomorrow when you wake up on Saturday, get up early. Go for a walk of 30 minutes. Within those 30-minute walks, start to be grateful for everything that you experienced in the past week. Everything that you're experiencing every day. Just walk for 30 minutes in your neighborhood, in your park, on the beach, wherever you live, and start to think of 10 things that you're grateful for last week. Whatever it might be, just start to focus on that. Really be grateful. Not like just think, oh yeah, I'm grateful for this. No, really start to focus on why do I feel grateful? What kind of feeling did it give me? Why did I feel so beautiful because of the actions that I took? Be grateful, really internally grateful for all those things. 30 minutes on Saturday, 30 minutes on Sunday. You will see how more beautiful your Saturday and Sunday will be turning out. How more passionate, how more energized, how more grateful you will feel during the full day. How more you will enjoy every single thing that you will experience this weekend. It all starts with 30 minutes in the morning, just a walk, just being grateful, maybe doing some breath work during that walk as well. 15 minutes of gratefulness, 15 minutes of breath work, and let me know after the weekend how that felt. And if that feels like awesome, if you get more energy, if you get more happiness out of this, start to do this every day. Because if something works for you, you just repeat it until it doesn't work anymore, and then you will find something new. But a lot of people have never tried this. Just do it. Focus 30 minutes, 15 minutes, grateful, 10 things, 15 minutes, breath work, whatever it is. You will see and feel a huge difference in the weekend, guys, and also after the weekend if you continue doing it. So that is my tip for this weekend. And if you want a quote, guys, the quote for me is just enjoy life to the fullest every single minute of the day. Don't stress too much. It doesn't matter. All the stress about the past, no use case. If something happened to me 10 minutes ago, I can stress about it, but I won't be able to change it. Start to focus directly again on the positive things in life. Make some positive moments. You are the one that decides what to do. It is not the event that influences you, it's your reaction to that event. Sometimes you just need to say, yeah, fuck it, and just move on and start to build or create a beautiful new experience and start to focus on that positiveness. I think these lessons are the beautiful lessons I want to give you for this weekend, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the short video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. What do you think about the news, the charts, and of course, how grateful are you for me making all these beautiful videos every day for you again. Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing weekend. I will probably do a live on Saturday and Sunday. I will tweet it out. So do follow me also on X. Do follow us also on Instagram. You will see when I go live. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Friday and the whole weekend. See you Monday again. Bam.